Hey guys, this is Marv De Leon of Freelance Blend TV, and today I'll demonstrate one of the amazing features of the EON Card and the EON app, which is the Selfie Banking. And the Selfie Banking is unique because and very useful because you don't need to memorize passwords, PIN codes. It's super safe and secure. The technology is the same technology being used by US Homeland Security. And we're privileged to demonstrate it today using my phone. As you can see on the right side of your screen, that's the screen of my iPhone. It also works for Android, but for this demonstration, we'll show you how to use it through an iPhone. But it should be similar with if you're using an Android phone. So first, just to make sure that you know where to find the EON app in the App Store, I'll show you. Let's go to the App Store and search for EON. And search, and you can see there EON PH. So just download that if you don't have that on your phone. Or if you have it, just go back and open the app, and once you click the app, if Selfie Banking is enabled, it will automatically load. So that's what we'll do now. I'll click EON app, and it's loading right now, and I'll put my face in front. Make sure that you have enough lighting, and that if you have glasses, remove it. So that's what we'll do, and make sure that your face is centered, and wait for the instructions for you to blink. And you see that it's loading now, and we're inside. So make sure lang na your face is inside the circle and you have enough light in front of your face, and if you have glasses, to remove it. In fact, when I was trying it earlier with my eyeglasses on, it still worked. But usually, if probably sobrang lakas ng reflection ng light from your glasses, it might not work. So make sure that you remove your glasses. But as you saw, it was really it took seconds for you to be able to log in. So again, no passwords. You don't need to remember your PIN. And especially if you're a millennial, I'm not a millennial, but if you're a millennial na mahilig kayo mag-selfie, so I'm sure this is very natural to you guys. But for me, it's still not that natural. Hindi ako magaling mag-selfie. Now we will demonstrate the Touch ID. So if you have an iPhone like myself, you can change the way you would like to log in. So it's either Selfie Banking, Touch ID, or User ID and Password. So this time, we'll demonstrate naman yung Touch ID. So I already did that. Changed my preferred login option. Open my EON app now. And you will be prompted to use the Touch ID for EON. So I will just tap it using my thumb. And that's it. We're inside the app again. So similar to Selfie Banking, it takes just a few seconds to log in. You don't need to type in a password. But if you're somebody who prefers still to use the old way of logging in, you just go to your settings and the preferred login on top. So just click that. So Selfie, Touch ID, or User ID, and log in. Now we'll show you the other features of the EON app. This again, the settings screen, where you can change everything you inputted when you registered for an EON card. Now there are other features. We go back to the home screen, and if you would like to, let's say you lost the EON card and you're worried, you want to have it blocked temporarily. So you just go to the home page, tap the card, the EON starter card. So that's what I have right now. You see the 3 dots on the upper right. There are selections here, so you can replace a card. If you lost it, you can also change PIN, and as you mentioned earlier, lock card. So of course I won't do that right now. And also you will also see the transaction history. So you can click lock card, and you can temporarily lock your card, and if you find it, you can unlock it again. So another way to lock a card is by, you see the card number, you press it's now unlocked, so you press the padlock icon, and you will be asked, you really want to lock your card, just click OK. So again, I don't want to do that right now. I won't be able to use my card. So as you can see, there's plenty of security features of the EON card, and it's very convenient because you don't have to call customer service to have all those things changed. You just do it yourself and just fire up the app, and it's very instantaneous. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the security features of the EON card and the EON app. So if you have questions, please comment down below, and please subscribe to the Freelance Blend YouTube channel at freelanceblend.com/TV or youtube.com/freelanceblend. Okay, thanks for watching. To all our listeners of the podcast, thanks for listening, and please watch out for our upcoming videos. Bye!